Things with You app shared bucket list. Pretty cool trending app on TikTok and other socials. Create your shared bucket list. Take pictures for your memories. Come up with new ideas. Become closer together. Your shared bucket list. Here's how it works. Share a link with one special person. Add things to your shared list. Take a photo for every item you complete together to look back at. Unlock new items to do together. CineBizU creates memories for you and your special someone to look back at over time. So yeah, that's the idea. You can always email. It's great for planning. And let's check it out how it works. So here's the app. Get started. So you can just enter your name in here. And then here you can then just enter it. You can turn notifications or skip it in the top right. There is a long onboarding. So just for example, you can see the setup of this app. And then here you have it. You can then invite your code. And then here there is a yearly plan, $20 for 2 users, or there is monthly, $15 per month. It's and then there is start a free trial, today free, and then basically yeah, you can just start a free trial in here, and yeah, so your partner doesn't pay anything. So that's the idea of the app. So you just creating lists together with your friend, with your partner, and that's how it goes. So there you have it.